So, good morning, everyone, and we are here to do the laboratory RHA 124, chapter 15.1. So, here in this laboratory, we are tasked to do, hang on. Oh, actually, no, it's the 15.2. So, here we are tasked to do, uh, what you call this, manage file from the command line. So here we are tasked to create a grading directory, create three empty files called grades 1, 2, and 3 in the home or the grading directory, and capture the first five lines of the home student being managed and file in the grading review.txt and append the last three lines of the bin managed to the file review.txt. And do not overwrite any existing text in the review.txt file. And after that, we need to copy the student grading review.txt to the review-copy.file. That file. Now we need to edit the review-copy so that the test JJ line appears twice and to remove the HH line in the same file. And so a new line between the BB and the CC in the review-copy.txt and create a hard copy and a soft copy of the same file in the same directory. So for that, we will do the laboratory. So here, we're gonna log in, so student user, and the password is a student. It's the default password for the Red Hat platform. So next we will go to the terminal. So here in the terminal, we will start the laboratory here. Now for this, we need to run the command lab start rhcsa dash rh124 dash review 1. So here the laboratory is now executing and we should wait for the out. So next we can create like four more tabs of the command or the terminal. Then here we will go to the directory in server B. So to do that, we need to run the command ssh student at server B. So now we are in server B and we are now editing inside server B. So next to create a directory, simply type make directory dash pv grading. This allows you to create a directory and which it is already created, and now we need to do the command touch. This command allows you to create an empty file and you need to run the command touch grading slash grade curly bracket 1 dot 3. This command allows you to create three files using a sequential range. Now, after you do that, we need to run. No, I mean, we need to take the first five lines of the file bin manage and redirect them to grading slash review.txt. So to do that, we need to run the command head dash 5 bin, sorry, manage greater than grading slash review.txt. And after that, we need to append the last three lines of the bin manage to that same file. But do not forget to use double greater than sign. So we need to command, or we need to run the command tail dash 3 bin slash manage greater than grading slash review dot txt. Now we need to make a copy of grading slash review dot txt, the grading directory file called review dash copy dot txt. Now to do that, we need to run cp grading slash review dot txt grading slash review dash copy dot txt. So we need to run this command, and we need to go inside review dash copy. So to do that, we need to run the command vim. It is uh it is a text editor to edit the said file. So we can do, and let's make it longer, vim slash home dash student slash grading slash review dash copy dot txt. So here we can see the file inside the review dash copy, and we can edit it. So we can simply, oh, I'm sorry. I think I let here. So press I to insert the a text or whatever you want to insert, or whatever the lab needed. But we need to do, or should I say, we need to add a new line. Oh, sorry, a new line between the line test BB and the test CC. And now we need to wait. Let's check the laboratory again. We need to make the JJ appear twice. So going back to the laboratory, we need to delete this one, the test that HH. Then we need to add another one down here, and we should place JJ so it appears twice. So now we need to do we need to press colon WQ to write and quit. So now we are finished doing the necessary specifications for this laboratory 15.2. So here we completed doing the creating of the grading or directory. We are done creating empty files called grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3 using the said um, sequential 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 range to make our life easier. So then we already done capture the first five lines of the bin manage to review file, and we already done up to append the last three lines of bin manage to grading review.txt. And now we already done the copying of review.txt to review-copy, and we already did the removal of test each line, which we just did in the vim command. So now after that, we need to do the command. We need to run the command. Oh yeah, yeah, we already did copy. So we need to view the the content of the file review dash copy. So we need to run the command cat grading slash review dash copy dot txt. So here we see what we did in Vim Home Student Grading Review dash cap. So what is CAT in Red Hat? So CAT is concatenate one file, to view, to preview a said file. So now since we are done, we can simply remove the other stuff and we need to exit. Wait, hang on, I forgot. We need to create a hard and soft copy. Oh, hard link and the symbolic link. So to do that, we need to run the command ln grading slash grade 1 hard copy. Oh shoot, it's in caps in uppercase. So here we are going to run or execute the command grading slash grade 1 hard copy. Then enter again ln dash s grading slash grade 2 soft copy. So this so it so the hard link is called hard copy, and that is the argument we need to do in this command, and we link the hard copy to grade. So we on the ln dash s. Sorry, I forgot the ano? So yeah, it's a soft link that you want guys to point to. So it's a new path like that. Then we're going to wrap this thing up with ls l bleh. Sorry for the unnecessary caps lock because of the, you know we are in the browser and the delay of the keyboard to the browser is like a few milliseconds. So moving on, we're going to wrap this up with ls-l slash boot greater than grading slash long listing slash txt. So now we are done. We did the hard and soft copy. So now we're going to grade. We're going to show if we pass by using this command. So we will test lab grade rx csa dash rh124 dash rb1. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. You need to exit the server B. So to do that, simply type exit, and we're back at the student workstation. Now we need to rewrite or retype the command labgrade rhcsa dash rh124 dash review 1. So here guys, the lab is being graded automatically, and it will show if we did something wrong. And as far as I can tell, we pass. So congrats, and you did the laboratory 15.2, and hope to see you guys uh, in another video. So that's all guys. Thank you.